Introduction. Every day, I discover myself in the silence of my heart. Many years ago, I said goodbye to family, friends, and society, living isolated from worldly noise. I am building with my hands, in the silence of the valley, the ancestral training and healing center, guided by the existence without intermediaries, and with the help of Maciel and Chantal on weekends. The city boy I was, who had a deep background in commercial and business operations, has become an eternal apprentice. I did not know carpentry, and I built many wooden structures. I did not know about plumbing, and did all the irrigation, drinking water, and depuration plants installations. I knew very little about electricity, and did all the electrical and solar installations. I did not know about masonry, and built small structures. I did not know about agriculture, and organic, ecological trees and gardens flourish to supply food for the center's own consumption. I did not know how to weld iron and copper, and now I can do both. During the month of July 2020, as always, without wanting to understand why, I have been building, shaping, welding with my own two hands and with the help of the sun's energy through solar panels that make us 100% energetically independent, the statues-totems that we present today. Totems of gratitude, far from religions and human beliefs, only motivated by a deep need to thank my invisible friends who have been taking care of me since childhood. Everything that we present to you now is a visual summary of the message that I must convey to the people whose minds are prepared to transcend, to connect with their own essences. There is nothing to learn, they only need to dare to walk into the unknown. On the other side of the inflexible wall of the human mind is existence, waiting to embrace us all. Transcendental ignorance cultivates existential fear.
Today we present to you a visual message I have to share to whom is prepared to surrender, to transcend, to ease the process to connect with the essence easily. Nothing has to be learned. Just we need to dare to walk to the unknown. Transcendental ignorance cultivates existential fears. Thank you.
Sol. Sol, built with discarded materials, welcomes you to the Transcendental Training and Ancestral Healing Center. It was my first peace and gratitude to the sun, Mother Earth, and water that care for all beings since birth. Pond. Arid lands were at first. Digging a hole with a plastic, with an ecological treatment plant. A world full of life in harmony with the all is born. Heart flower. From the heart of the earth is born the flower of existence, whose fruit is transcendental love. Half heart. We are born with a divided heart, the heart of the essence waits to unite with the heart of your body-mind. This is the meaning of earthly life. Palm tree of life. Hearts are the fruit of the tree of existence that catalyzes the energy of the universe. Gratitude totem. Totem, not to worship the invisible, away from our religion and belief, but to be infinitely grateful for the protection of our friends, my friends. The eagle that helps me see beyond the horizon with my eyes closed. The serpent that carefully watches. The friendly, protective, and discreet spider whose enemy is fear. The strength and sensitivity of Bernardo, wild boar that protects us. The cheerful fox, Sam, Sammy, and Renardo, informing and encouraging. And my great friend, the owl, who continues to protect me since childhood. Thank you, my friends. Dubhé. Star of the origin of all, united to and separated from the Ursa Major constellation. Heart vein. Our heart, far from the mind, is a great vein that tells us where the winds of existence, that the eyes cannot see, come from. Sundial. The sundial allows us to realize how societies live completely out of step from the rhythm of nature, forcing humans to endless adaptation, weakening our inner balance for having broken the exterior one. The mountain of the universe. The mountain of the universe, far from all religions and beliefs. No other interpretations than what is seen and felt from the heart. Beyond the known universe, there is a galaxy, a star, where the source of everything is hidden. The source gives life to the universe through its black holes to communicate with all parallel universes, gives life to the stars, to the suns to illuminate the infinite sky. The universe transmits life to the moon. To the earth. To birds. fish, and other animals, to flora, to take care of humans, ungrateful in these times. Now humanity is obliged to raise our collective consciousness to unite with the all.
Universal message. Society strained in the search of new distractions, fearing to venture into the unknown. Living is discovering oneself by creating and loving on a transcendental level. Distraction keep people in perpetual immobility, missing the opportunity to discover themselves. The contamination of our environment is what is visible, but invisible are humanity's selfish intentions to survive in the society of fear. The death of our planet is the consequence of an unconscious, selfish, and destructive lifestyle. The coronavirus is the unstoppable beginning of the transcendental change that will culminate in the liberation of the planet for a world in harmony with every being. These are times in which we all need to work united, facing the same destiny. AtelTrainer's Center. Individual healing retreats, ancestral healing therapies, ancestral healing courses, healing meditation, intuitive sensitive healing yoga. AtelTrainer's books. 1. Psycho Fitness Holistic. 2. Zen Sport. 3. Transcendental Training. 4. Transcendental Love Ancestral Healing. Available in AtelTrainer's Cabinet or Amazon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.